All this money northern people used to sponsor all these girls, these Fulani girls they are using to call Igbo Muslims. All this money that you people are giving these girls, you can use this money, empower these girls, give them a good life for tomorrow, for them and their unborn children tomorrow, future. But they are just wasting money just to bring Igbos down, and you will still see yourself down. All these things that you people are doing is not making sense in a country. This is not how to build a life or a country. Even to check, these girls, their background no be Igbo land. All this is now not. All these girls now not then they. But why only girls are the one coming out to say Igbo Muslim? Okay, there's no any guy around Igbo Muslim. There's no any man or a guy around this Igbo Muslim. Why only girls? And all these small girls, you know that they have nothing. All these hookup girls, they need money. We just buy hijab for them, give them small money. They will now come TikTok, start doing all those things. Say Igbo Muslim. Okay, why now only girls? There's no any man among them. Okay, why Igbo? Teach these people how to become a good version of themselves. All this money that you are giving them, use it, empower them, buy sewing machine. If if the one that have no handwork, put them where they will learn handwork and become a good fashion. Build a houses, give them. Once they are working, once you build a house, once you build a work for once you give them a handwork and they are working, you build a house, you can give them. They will be paying small, and there will be development. There will be a good life. There will be a life to live, and a life that that will make them happy and make their unborn children happy and make their generation happy. Life is for living. It's not for spiritual or spirits or whatever. Life is for living. You can make all these things be happy. In Nigeria, this is what Igbos are crying. You will live what will make people happy, what will make people comfortable in the same life God give them free. You are there taxing them to live like they they have to pay to live the life that God give them for free. You are calling Igbos. They are trying to attack Muslims in Igbo land. Have you ever seen such thing happen before? Have you ever heard say Igbos, Muslim, they are crying? Only you people are the one supporting this thing, fueling this thing to the extent that this length now you people are now using money that you people use to build a generation, build a future life, spending it on all these TikTok girls to be doing all these things. What will you people gain from this as a Muslim? What do you people gain? What people just you people just want to bring Igbos down, and those people that you people are trying to are already far gone. They are already bigger than you people. They're already bigger than Africa. Even they are even trying to top on the world. Now only people are bringing them. If not be you people, they will be top one in the world, in the whole world. No be say only you. I was like people are too small for Igbos. Worldwide, Igbos will sweet and better than Germany, America. Only you people are the ones stepping them down. And look at propaganda you people are just doing. That Igbos are trying to attack Muslims that are living in their soil. How? That did Igbo have any Muslim in their country? Even if you Igbo have any Muslim in Biafra land, fine. We don't attack Muslims. We don't attack traditionals. Everybody live in peace. Everybody wake up in the morning, focus in money. We don't focus on tradition, religion, whoever. That's anything you have to do. You have to do with God. You can't fight. We don't fight for God. God fight for Himself. We don't fight for God. You can't fight for who created you. God give you life. Also give you death. So even if you live 100 years in this life, you will still die. Billions of people have already come and gone before you. And this after you, billions will still come. So why God is hungry to kill you or sending someone to come and kill you. How? Why? God knows that you will still die. You will still come and meet him. So why God stressing himself to sending someone? God give you death, give you life. So why God will send someone to come and kill you? How? Billions people have come in this earth. Your forefathers, they have gone, and many will still come. So why God not stressing his life to come and kill you? God, Igbos don't fight for God. God fight for himself. When your time reach, you will die. So go and walk. Make this life be a better place. All these things you people are doing is nonsense. It doesn't make any sense. It shows that you people brain is still low. You people just moving like a program, like a robot. Robot is just like if you program them, you just working according to the program. You can't think outside the box. You people are not thinking outside the box. You people are just working under programming. Sharia law, Quran, whatever. But it's not like how life's supposed to be. Feel free, be happy. This life is for everybody. It's not for Muslim. Even if your faith once is working for you, go ahead. We can't stop you to focus on your faith. Some are mechanics and is working for them. Businessman will go there, it will not work for them. Some are businesser, some are hand worker. But once it's working for you, go ahead. What we need is a life that will build tomorrow. Your children will come out and become happy on it. All this money people are spending buying armored car, buying gun, buying all this. You people can use it, build houses, bring development, give your citizens. They will be paying small, small as they are working. They will be paying small, small, and it's a development. This will bring awareness tomorrow. Your people will live in harmony. People will live in a good life. Their children will come out and seek a good life and live. Even if your business is selling cow, but you are building house, you are living okay. You have one house, two house, three house, four house. It's a development. Your children will come outside and inherit them and still making a good life tomorrow. Life will be happy. God will be happy on you. But if you are just killing your fellow human being, is it what God sent you to come and do? Someone that you are killing says that God sent you to come and kill the person. The same person, God give him death. God give him life. The person cannot live here forever. The person will still die. Okay, if someone that God give life and give the person same person death, you now go and kill the person, say God send you to, if God send you to go, and why God give the person death in the first place? God give the person life, give the person death. So how the person, God will still send you to go and kill the person? How? How? If it's something like maybe this life now, people is here to live forever. Okay, they say anybody that break this law, they will kill the person. That would be little sense. Maybe this life is for live forever. But if you break this law, they will remove you, they will kill you. Other people that apply the law will live forever. But this God give you life, God give you death. 100 billion years is just like any seconds to God's side. So why go stressing in life to come and kill you or come and send somebody to come and kill you? Why you know that you will still die? 60 years, 70 years, 80 years, 100, you will die.